Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Okay, how are you this morning, guys? Okay, I'm fine too, thank you. Doing activities today. Please, the captains of the class, lead your friends to pray together. Okay, good morning. Everyone here, stand up please. Untuk memastikan kedisiplinan, bajunya dirapikan dulu, sekalian dipastikan, please make sure your class is clean. Silakan dicek dulu, sudah siap, sudah bersih, silakan boleh duduk kembali. Oke, you're welcome. Di kelas 12 ini, you are going to talk about conditional sentence, specifically is about type 2. Seperti apa conditional sentence type 2 akan kita bahas nanti. I'm going to show you our learning objective today. So, at the end of the class, bisa mengidentifikasi struktur ciri kebahasaan. After that, you are going to be able to analyze social function, structure, kemudian grammatical features. What will you do in this meeting? Of course, we are going to discuss with your friends in group. After that, akan mempresentasikan portofolionya dan mempresentasikan dialog tadi yang utama itu sebagai keterampilan di bab ini. This is my ways to score you. Always remember that every activities will be scored by me. Doing our activities in this learning and teaching process about conditional sentence type 2. Here, I have some questions related to the topic, yang mana untuk membangun pemahaman awal kita ya tentang conditional sentence type 2. So, the first question is, what do you know about conditional sentence?
My name is Putri to the number 25 from Kuwait. In Bahasa Indonesia, conditional sentence adalah kalimat pengalihan.
Thank you so much for answering this first question. Next is the second question. How many types of conditional sentence are there in English?
My name is Putri.
Yeah,
To the number
25. Bisa hafal Mbak ini. Terus?
we are six for the conditional sentence.
Oke, yang kita akan pelajari adalah yang kedua. So, the last questions about this perceptions questions is, what is the function of conditional sentence type 2?
My name is Sifati Ahmad, number 14 of conditional sentence type 2. The function of conditional sentence type 2 is to express imaginary situation.
Okay, thank you, Mas Jamal. Sit down, please. Okay, thank you so much for answering these three questions. Next is watch and understand the text. Jadi akan kita terjemahkan bareng ya. Jadi Pak Rosli itu, what is worker? Worker pekerja. Pekerja yang sangat sibuk sekali. He gets bored with his daily routines. Dia bosan. Bukan membosankan, bosan. Pak Rosli kan menyenangkan, bukan membosankan. Jadi ini saya tampilkan kemungkinan harapannya Pak Rosli. So, we are going to see the fact of this Mr. Rosli's hope atau desire. I have decided this class into 6 groups. And a group consists of 5 to 6 students. So please, now your time is 5 to 6 or 7 minutes to make a group. Have you finished making a group? Finish? Sebelum kita mengerjakan beberapa pekerjaan kita hari ini, dan gak ngantuk, we are going to play a game dulu. Please do listen to my instruction very carefully. If you are listening to odd number atau nomor yang ganjil, you have to clap your hands once. So, can we start this game right now? 21, 26, red, black, 1, 25, 26, 5, 6, red. I'm going to share this LKPD to every groups here. So you are group 5? Group 5. This is the last is group 6. Teman-teman diminta untuk mengakses link ini. Silakan diakses untuk mendapatkan materi. Salah satu dulu ini dituliskan di sini. Di yang kedua sini. Ini. Okay, if you have any questions, just feel free for asking me. Ya, jangan ragu-ragu untuk tanya. Okay. After this, we are going to discuss this material. I need two students to explain the materials about this conditional sentence type 2. The first point is about a social function. Jadi betul yang disampaikan Mas Richard bahwa conditional sentence type 2 ya, after this you need to complete the dialogue. Silakan bisa mengakses link ini untuk mendapatkan soal dialognya. Oke. Jadi I'm going to play this MP3 file just once.
Eva, have you ever heard about the water diet? Yes, my sister took the water diet last year. Really? Tell me what it is.
Okay, thank you so much for listening this dialogue. And after this, you need to answer these questions and decide what is if clause and what is result clause sesuai dengan yang kamu dengarkan tadi.
Hello guys, I'm Mr. Ginaldo. I'm number 4.
Oke, yang ditulis oleh Mas Danu sudah betul. Oke, thank you so much. After this, I'm going to go to the next slide. You must identify the functions. Kalimatnya di bawahnya, oke, betul. Group 6, do you have any questions? No? Okay. Well, I think that's all for doing this LKPD 3. Nomor 1. Jadi kalimat yang pertama. Kira-kira nanti dimasukkan ke fungsi yang mana? So, number 14. So, I think enough for discussing about the functions of conditional sentence type 2. Nah, setelah itu, di LKPD 4 ada 2 barcode yang ada di situ, yang A dan B saja. Silakan untuk yang barcode yang paling atas atau yang 4A, you need to complete the conditional sentence. For B, you need to create a sentences and make the fact of them. Grup 1 situ oke? Oke, ya, aman ya. Silakan di-scan. HP siapa yang untuk scan ini? Oke, good. Oke. The time is up. Your time is up to do this LKPD 4. Nanti kita akan bahas sedikit saja. 1 atau 2 nomor.
My name is Amelia. My person number 2. I'm from
Were and would go. Kita lanjutkan langsung ke LKPD yang 4B. Please make a sentence and make the fact of it. Yes. One.
Number absent
6. Alright, please.
If I had a usual voice, I will be a famous singer.
How about the fact of your conditional sentence?
I don't have beautiful voice, so I'm not a famous singer.
Okay, this is your last activity before presenting your dialogue. You need to compose your own dialogue. Well, everyone, your time is up to do to make your own dialogue tentang kejadian itu. Nah, setelah ini kita akan mengundi dengan yang di depan ini, grup berapa nanti yang akan maju. I have to remind you that this is reading aloud activity. Nah, oke. Silakan kelompok 2 semuanya harus maju ke depan dan membacakan dialognya.
Before presenting atau before reading your own dialogue, please mention your name one by one. Start from you.
My name is Desi Putri Komarila, number absent 5.
I'm Panji Karamadani, nomor absen 23.
I'm Novita Melani Ratana, absen number 22.
I'm Fatasha Nabila Haki, absen number 8.
I'm Rizka Safna Fitriana, number absent 27.
I Wanda Horikena Nuraini, absen number 36.
If you were in this position, what would you do?
I will break the door. How about you? Break the door? It's very dangerous. If I were in that position, I would scream until someone helps me. If it were you, what would you do?
Oh, I agree. Wouldn't it better to call 911 for help? Because it saves time and speeds up help. What do you think?
I agree with you, because if I were in that position, I would do that. Then what if you saw that in a season?
I will help her in any way I can. We will waiting for help to come. Do you agree with my opinion?
Yes, I'm agree with you.
Silakan salah satu dari kelompok lain memberikan tanggapannya tentang how was the performance of this group.
In my opinion, the performance group took less speech and less expressive.
Thank you so much for your opinion of group 1. That's all for your performance. Please close your presentation.
Thank you for your attention. And now we close the presentation.
Conditional sentence type 2 untuk menggambarkan situasi yang unreal situation atau unreal condition atau imaginary condition. Untuk if clause yang ditandai dengan if menggunakan simple past atau present? Past. Kemudian yang result clause menggunakan bisa would atau could, ditambah kata kerja bentuk pertama. Before closing this class, here I have a barcode on the screen. This is about reflections and evaluations. Silahkan untuk scan di depan ini, salah satu saja. Okay, thank you so much for doing these reflections and answering these questions of evaluations. After this, please one of students here make a conclusions about this teaching and learning process this afternoon.
Okay, my name is Justin Ahmad, absent number 14. Conclusion. Conclusion is a subfunction of conditional sentence to express dream under condition or imaginary.
Okay, thank you so much teman-teman semua. Next meeting we are going to discuss the material about conditional sentence type 3. Setelah tipe 2 sudah, dilanjutkan tipe ketiga. To close this meeting, di layar I have a quote. Students number 1, please. Okay, so education is the most powerful weapon you can use to change the world. Thank you so much for what you have done today. Before closing this class, do you have any questions? No, so everything is clear ya informasinya. So you can next meeting on Friday. Ya, wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Okay, you're welcome.